Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video we will talk about Splunk add-on for AWS. So basically Splunk add-on for AWS is used to ingest data from the AWS services. Here we can pull any kind of log of the services like CloudWatch logs, VPC flow logs, CloudTrail, Transit Gateway log, billing logs, and many other as well. We can pull any kind of data, but just keep in mind that add-on will not provide a source type for each kind of data, so we need to return our own source type to extract field and its value as required. So add-on will provide basically two type of mechanism. First is pull based, second is push based. In pull based mechanism we leverage add-on API to pull the data from AWS services. In the push based mechanism we use Kinesis firewall service and push the log via HEC HTTP event collector token and then ingest the logs. So how it will be recognized this source types and all the stuff. So if you use push based mechanism, then there is source type. Here you can see we have multiple source type that we need to configure while generating token on the Splunk. So once we mention this source type, it will be extract event field and its value based on the props and conf provided with the add-on. It will provide almost like source type for all the services logs. You can see more about in this documentation. Similar way in pull base we have multiple source type, and add-on support multiple extraction for each kind of data from different services. We can also pull our application logs by dumping into S3 bucket, but just keep in mind that we need to write our own source type to extract field properly. Then we can build our custom dashboard and alerts to take necessary action based on whatever alert we are getting. For an example, we are just creating alert for any service usage, so we can just monitor CloudTrail logs. It will give you which kind of user activity performed on that account. Based on that we will create alert. If this kind of activity would be happen, then just send email or notify via Slack or any other media. So that kind of configuration we will do by using add-on and Splunk itself. So let's jump into the installation part. To install the app, you just need to click on app section, find more apps. Here you need to search Splunk add-on for AWS. I already have installed, so it's asked me to open the app, so let's open the app. The first window is of input configuration. Here we can create multiple input as mentioned earlier. From this tab we can create or we can leverage a pull based mechanism like API calls. Here is multiple input we can configure. If you have our like custom application log, you can just use custom source type, and there is wide range of type of input we can leverage, like generic, SQS based S3, and normal SQS input as well. We will go through each kind of input in upcoming videos, like how to configure a CloudTrail input, and in CloudTrail itself there is multiple types of generic, incremental, SQS based S3 input. So what kind of thing we need to keep in our mind and what kind of permission we need to provide, all the stuff we'll provide in upcoming video. Also we will review the necessary step from the AWS perspective as well, which kind of permission we would require, and how to provide a minimal access to the access key and token which we are configuring in configuration tab, while keep roles and all the stuff in our mind. So that's it for this video. We will see you in the next video. Thank you.